how to recover a forgotten Regions Bank username. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you forgot your Regions Bank username, well, in today's video, I'll show you how to recover it online. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here you can just click on the login button and after that you'll be prompted to the login screen. Now here in this case, if you don't know the username, at the below you can see the option labeled as forgot username or password. So from there just click on username and after that you'll be prompted to the next page. So there you simply have to select your preferred option like from phone number or email address. So simply choose one and after that you can just click on continue. So here once you choose the option and the text field, as of right now I have selected the email address. So here on the text field I just have to enter my email address and click on continue. And after that on the next page I need to enter my verification code which has been sent to email address by the Regions Bank. So simply enter the verification code and verify yourself. And once you do that, you just have to follow the prompts and Regions will display or send your online ID to your registered email. And if you don't have access to your email, you can choose option to verify with your phone number as well. And that's it. That's how you can recover a forgotten Regions Bank username. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.